Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. I'm gonna make you some lovely, I did it before, but I'm gonna make you some lovely, nice, the best, one of the best cookie recipe in the world. I'm gonna give you some Christmas cookie recipe. Guys, you're gonna love this one. This is a new one. It's just really nice. I don't want you to try it at home for the Christmas. You can put them on the table with the kids and can have them to eat in the meantime. Dinner being prepared. Well, I'm gonna give you the recipe. Very easy and simple and quick for you guys. So enjoy the recipe as I show you this Christmas cookie recipe. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program, and also leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. 2 cups of self-rising flour inside of this bowl right here. I'm gonna give you the recipe where you're gonna love it. I'm gonna simply put a pinch more of baking powder inside of it, just a little pinch more, and get it mixed up just like this. What I'm gonna simply say to you, I got some brown dark sugar. It's good for baking. You can get it at the local shop supermarket, and I got 1/4 cups. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like this and give it a nice little stir. That's, the guys can see what I'm doing right here. Lovely and nice. Inside of this container right here, I got some fruit soaked with rum and red label wine. I'm gonna take out 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little pinch of the fruits out of this right here, and I'll cork it back and seal it. This fruit's been soaking over the last 6 months. It's for make the Jamaican rum fruit cake. Give it a little mix like this. Lovely and nice. Right over here I have some room temperature butter. I'm gonna put, look, 1 spoon right here and another spoon of butter. 2 spoons of butter inside of it. Lovely and nice. Second thing, I got 2 eggs over here, room temperature. Just simply beat it. You can smell that rum, man. Really nice. Take it at a time. I want to simply say to you, do not give kids this to eat. Adult is just for adult only. It got rum in it and red label wine. Then next, take a little time and pour that egg straight inside of it, just like this. As I can see, what I'm doing right here. Lovely. Pour in the rest. Nice one. And then you're gonna just simply mess up your hand for a little bit. That's fine, guys. If it's a little bit too soft, you can always just add a little bit more flour to the mixture. Rum and raisin cookie. But as you can see, it's a little bit soft, but as I say, you can always add a little bit more flour to the mixture. That's fine. So what you're gonna do now, just add a little bit of flour on the surface. I just put a little bit of flour on the surface. Then simple. Because of the dark sugar and the egg and the room temperature, everything is in room temperature, guys. So that's why you see it might a little bit sticky, but that's fine. Just use a little bit more flour just to get the flour off my hand. And those raisins already soak into some rum and red label wine. So as you can see right here, guys, what I'm doing at the moment, but as you can see, It's looking really good. So what I'm gonna do now is simple. Cut this into half and put one piece at the side, and I'm gonna roll this. So I'm gonna put a little bit more flour on the surface. Gonna mess up your hand a little bit, but that's fine, guys. I'm telling you, this is a perfect cookie recipe for you guys, and hopefully you will love it. So as you can see, what I'm doing right here with the Rum Raisin cookie recipe from Chef Ricardo. You're gonna love this one. Really nice cookie recipe, guys. What I'm talking about right here, and this is how you want it to be look like, guys. So if you're gonna lay them out just like this on the surface of the paper, you're gonna have a little time, but that's fine. So this is what we're gonna do. What you can do, you can roll, I'm gonna show you, you can roll piece and put it also in your fridge. So we're gonna do all of this like this. Lovely. Right here is all of the cookie which I just finished off. The Rum Raisin cookie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, this is all of the cookie which I just made. And I wanna simply say to you, one, I got 11 cookie, and there's a Rum Raisin cookie you cannot give kids. It's just for adults. I'm gonna put them in the oven. Make sure the gas mark is very low. At gas mark in a 5 or 4. We're gonna. If you're using a different oven, it's good to use 165 or 175, and then we're gonna bake them for 8 to 9 minutes. If not, give it to 10 minutes inside of the oven. Luxurious. Finish wrap up the next piece of Rum Raisin cookie into some cling film. I'm gonna put it in my freezer, and another day I'm gonna take it out and show you how it look like. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Why those one is baking. I'm gonna put this one into my freezer for a couple of days time from now to use them. Nice. I just take them from the oven. As you can see, how they look. Looking beautiful and such nice. So as you can see, let's break one into half, guys, to show you. Look at this Rum Raisin cookie recipe. Really nice, really spongy, soft and nice. As I say, you can try these on the table and give the kids them to eat. Don't give the kids to eat, adults only. So Rum Raisin cookie, really nice for the Christmas. Really nice. Trust me, guys, you need to try this one. Beautiful, nice, and so soft. As you can see, when I break it, it just looks so beautiful and nice. Huh? Guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye.